The new Wet and Forget outdoor hose-in sprayer makes cleaning moss, mold, mildew, and algae from your siding, walkway, fence, or deck easier than ever. Wet and Forget works with the wind and rain to eliminate unsightly stains over time with no scrubbing and no rinsing. Just spray it on and forget it. The easy-to-use bottle attaches directly to your hose and sprays up to 30 feet, letting you clean hard-to-reach places on a second story or roof. One bottle of Wet and Forget Outdoor covers 2,000 square feet, a lot more than comparable hose-in sprayers. Wet and Forget Outdoor contains no bleach or phosphates and is non-acidic, so it's safe to use around landscaping and plants. With Wet and Forget Outdoor's rapid application, you can treat an entire house, walkway, or deck in just minutes. Clean your outdoor surfaces quickly and easily with Wet and Forget Outdoor Hose-in Sprayer.